Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you trying to buy USDT on Binance using PayPal in 2025? Let me walk you through exactly how to do it and what the current limitations are. Before we begin, if you're serious about securing your crypto, consider checking out Laser Hardware Wallets. The link is in the description below. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Binance app or website and head over to the P2P section. Select USDT as the crypto you want to buy. Now tap on the payment method and search for PayPal. As you'll notice, PayPal does not show up as a supported option. That's because as of now, Binance does not directly support PayPal or crypto purchases. So what's workaround? You'll first need to transfer funds from your PayPal account to your bank account. Once the money is in your bank, go back to the Binance and use bank transfer as your payment method in P2P section. Choose a seller, enter the amount of USDT you want to buy and click buy USDT. After that, follow the steps to complete the payment, including entering your bank details and confirming the transfer. Once that's done, the USDT will be released to your Binance wallet. So while you can buy or you can't buy USDT on Binance directly with PayPal, transferring to your bank first make it possible. Maybe in the future Binance will support PayPal, but as of now, this is the only way. Hope this helped. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials just like this one. I'll see you in the next one as always.